Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart. On this chart, I got the standard Japanese candlesticks. So the market is now hovering around the level of 37,000 tethers. As you can see, the recent highs were made just above the level of 38,000. Let me just mark it out for you. Those levels here were the double top swing high, let's say, and this is of course the level of 38,320. And as you can see, the recent few days were on very low volume. So after this movement to the upside, the volume is apparently decreasing significantly, while the market is trending a little bit down, and the trading conditions are right now a little bit different than they used to be up to the yesterday. So very low volatility yesterday, very low volatility so far today, as the market keeps consolidate the recent gains. If we apply some sort of the short-term trend line, we can clearly see that the market keeps bouncing up from this trend line, which is good apparently, because it means that the bulls are still in charge of this market. So if we stick to our general color coding of the levels, we can clearly see the market is still above this trend line, and as long as it is in this trend line, the outlook remains bullish. There's one more thing we can say about the current situation on the Bitcoin. If we manage to let's say apply the other trend line, let me just remove the extension to the right and change the color to slightly different, like for example the blue. You can clearly see that maybe this market is kind of developing some sort of the triangle. So if you don't see this pattern yet, let me just show it to you. Maybe something like this is being developed right now. So this kind of a triangle, maybe, just maybe, is being developed. Nevertheless, regardless of the fact if it is like a triangle or maybe the bullish pennant, the outlook remains bullish as well. As I said, bullish pennant. When we finish this consolidation here inside of this very narrow zone, the outlook will be still to the upside. The momentum is still strong. If we apply the RSI indicator with the standard settings, you can still clearly see that the momentum is at the level of 58 points, which is still above the level of 50, which is the neutral level. But of course, it's coming down from the levels of the 82, 80, even 7 points. So the market is cooling down right now. The pullback continues, or the correction continues. Let me just take a look if there are any important technical supports on the left. No, there isn't. So generally, the important technical support that we see right now is the one that we're supposed to be familiar with. So this is the level of 35,100. There is one more level. Let me just copy it for your convenience. This line and the green one goes here. So only if the market would break below the level of 32,900, okay, 33,000 tethers, then the outlook become more bearish, right? So anything below 33,000 is bearish, anything above 35,100 is bullish. Current pattern that we are await for the completion is the eventually triangle or eventually bullish pennant. The market is still above the trend line, but there is a potential for the double top. The double top, which is of course located at the highs, 38,320, is still of course something we should be paying attention to. Nevertheless, the positive and strong momentum still indicates a possibility of the up move after this situation here. Bullish pennant or a triangle is finally completed. The target for the Bitcoin is located right now at the psychological round level of 40,000 tethers. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.